Hello and welcome to the world of Positron. You know, positron releases positive energy in form of gamma rays when they come into contact with electrons. No, just kidding. We are not talking about science today, physics or chemistry, who knows. Rather, we are talking about positron, the incredible IDE for data science by posit.co. Here we will be doing what we will be downloading the positron and testing the positron. So let's get started. So in order to download the positron, I just typed download positron IDE, and the first link that I got is this one, which has https colon slash slash github.com slash posit dash dev slash positron slash releases. I will give this URL in the description of my video. Once we get there, here we see the latest version. Go down there, click on these assets. The first one is positron file .exe file, which is something that would be valid for Windows user, and this .dmg would be valid for the Mac users. So let us install, and I clicked on this setup.exe because I am on Windows platform. I clicked download and I clicked save as, and in downloads folder I got this exe file. Let us double click to start the installation, and you see I got this message: this program can only be installed on the versions of Windows designed for following processor architecture x64. And you guessed it right, because I am on Snapdragon PC, Copilot Plus PC. So as of today, as of July 2024, this Positron ID won't install on Snapdragon PC. So I have to now switch to Intel PC, Intel based PC. So I will start there now. And let us this time try to install it. And right now I am on Intel based PC, and here it is most probably installing, because it is saying I accept the agreement, and then I take the default locations, and here it is installing. Completing the positron setup wizard, launch positron, and here it is. So on Intel based PC, I was able to download and install positron. Looks like I must congratulate myself. Just kidding. So let us continue. Open a file so that we can test that yes, our file is running. And in order to test positron IDE, let us open a file, and for that I will go here and open a folder. All my data files are sitting in this folder, DS apps folder, and maybe let us open this first folder. I selected first folder and then click select folder. Yes, I was able to open the folder, and this is that app I have. The coding is sitting there, but I have some issues here. I see some problems here, and when I click on these problems, I see that it says 7 problems, and all of these are relating to these inbuilt functions. There is no problem in any user-defined function. So maybe let us install Shiny, because I'm using in this file Shiny library here at the top. So let us install it. I will take a new terminal here, and I will do this command pip install Shiny. So it has installed Shiny, but these problems don't go away. I will right click on this, and then I will click or I should say pick source R file. And the moment I pick source R file, I see these problems now have gone away. Let us try running it. Hopefully it should run now. And when I run this app, yeah, the output is here, but I can maximize and open the current URL in the default browser, in the local host this file is opening. This is app.r file. So most of my data science files are made in R. Here I click because there is a functionality attached in this app, and I see yes, it is creating the data frame as it was creating in RStudio, and here it is the frequency distribution, and here is the histogram. Let us scroll down and see. Yes, so this is actually opening my files from RStudio which were made in R, and this is going to be an interesting journey of switching from RStudio to Positron. Stay in touch.